Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how do you make a light circuit. So this is how you make a light circuit. So you see this wire is the negative. You see this blue line, tiny blue line like there? That's the negative line. So I put this wire, this white wire, I put it on. If you see some dots, do you see dots in here? I put it in one of the blue dots, but it has to be on here, on top of the blue line. So I put it in anywhere, like anywhere, far, not far away, it doesn't matter. So I'll put it somewhere random, but still on the blue line. And then, if you see my LED right here, the tall one, I bended it, which is this one. This one is taller than the other one. The one that is taller than the other one is the anode. This is the anode right here. That what I'm touching is the anode. The other is the cathode. So, I put the anode where the positive is, and the negative or cathode wire in the negative wire in the cathode, but not in the same box. It doesn't have. It's always vertical, so I have to put it like anywhere. See, I can put the positive anywhere, but it has to be the same line as where the cathode and anode are. So here and here. I'll just put it like that. Now, if you switch it on with these two wires, switch it on with your Arduino Uno or another motherboard, or just plug it in to the AC power, this light will turn on. But you have to put a resistor, because this resistor will make the resistance more. So this resistor will take off the positive line and put the resistor from the positive to the anode line. Bye.